Hello everyone, and welcome to the escape code section of the regular expression lecture. In this lecture, we'll look at escape codes and how we can use them. So we can use escape codes to find specific types of patterns in our data search. So this can include digits, non-digits, white spaces, and so on. Okay, let's see what the escape codes are. The first escape code is /d. This matches a single digit. Okay, /d matches a single digit. /D matches a single non-digit. This matches a single non-digit. Okay. Next we have /w. /w matches a single alphanumeric character. Alphanumeric character. Whereas /W matches a single non-alphanumeric character. Okay? And then we have /S. /S matches a single white space character. Okay? Single white space. Whereas /S matches a single non-white space character. Okay? So, and if we want to match more than one digit or white space or so on, we can simply add plus next to each, right? Plus means one or more. Okay? Let's look at some examples. Let's say I have a text. That's my text. We can use /d to match a single digit. Let's see an example of that. First, we need to import the RE module. Then we have re.findAll, R, and then our pattern /d, look for a single digit, match a single digit in my string text. Okay, let's run it. I get 1, 0, 0, right? That's because it matches a single digit. And if we want to get the whole $100, the whole 100, all I have to do is add the plus. So this will match one or more digits. Let's run it. So we get 100. Next, let's look at /D. /D matches a single non-digit character, right? So for that, re.findAll, I have my R and pattern /D. Then I pass my text. Run it. So I get, you see each character, it matches a single non-digit character. The cost, so I get all the characters. And also this $sign and the dot, as long as it's a non-digit. I can pass a plus sign here, so that will match one or more non-digit. So now I get the cost of my fancy Let me spell fancy like that. Okay, the cost of my fancy microwave is $, right? So all of this is one much. That's because plus is a greedy repetition, right? So slash upper D matches, since it's a plus, this matches one or more non-digits. That's why we have this a list of this long string as one match, and then so this is a digit, so there's no match, and then we have the dot. That's the second match. Good. Next, let's look at slash lower s. This will match a single white space character. Let's look at an example. So re dot find all r, and I pass my pattern slash s in my text string. So here I have 6 matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matches. Again here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's because slash s matches a single white space character, right? So I have 7 of them. Now let's look at slash upper s, which matches a single non-white space character. So re dot find all r, then I have slash upper s and then text. So upper s matches a single non-white space character. So when I run this, I'll get a similar result like what I got earlier for this D. It will give me a list of each character, a long list. Okay? So I can add a plus. That way it will give me a match of one or more single. Instead of single, it will give me a match of one or more non-white space characters. Okay? There you go. So the cost of my fancy microwave is $100. Good. Next, let's look at slash W. Slash W matches a single alphanumeric character, right? So let's look at an example. Re that find all r slash W, then pass my text string. So it looks for a single alphanumeric character. It will give me a big list. So to avoid that, I'll include a plus sign. That way I'll get alphanumeric characters, one or more alphanumeric characters. So I have the cost of my fancy microwave is, see, it excludes the $sign. So alphanumeric. Whereas capital W will give me a list of a single non-alphanumeric characters, right? Let's look at capital W. So re dot find all r, and then I pass in my pattern upper W, then I have my text string. Run it. So I get all the non-alphanumeric characters, which are spaces, $sign, and a dot. In this case, the result will be the same, whether I pass a plus or not. I still get the same result. Good. To recap, we saw what escape codes are and how we can use them to find specific types of patterns in our data, such as digits, non-digits, and white spaces. And we can match a single digit or a single non-digit or even alphanumeric characters and white spaces by using these escape codes. And by passing a plus sign, we can make them non-greedy. In the next lecture, we look at anchoring. Thank you, everyone.